Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up before you leave. Come closer, look close. If you want to get some more of me, and why wouldn't you, when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We are diving right in. Speaking of indie brands, we're going to be using a couple of my JD Glow single shadows today. If you know, you know. They are the best single shadows I've ever used. They are phenomenal, incredible, fantastic, amazing. You get the point. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying Christmas. If you are, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. We're in full swing, you guys. We are rocking and rolling. We're having a good time. In some previous videos, I posted this look right here. And you guys absolutely loved it. And I told you guys that I would recreate it for you guys, and it is incredibly easy. And when I say incredibly easy, like 5 minutes as far as the eye makeup itself goes. So I am moisturized. I do have my primer on. I have my Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. And then I prepped my eyes with my Glam Light Icing Eye Base in Buttercream. First up, I'm going to go in with the Watermark Galaxy Shadow from JD Glow. I do have a discount code. It is Riri10. That is an affiliate code with them. I'm going to swatch all of these when I show them to you. Then I also went in that day, and I will obviously today go in with the shade Bora Bora, also from the Galaxy collection. And then last but not least is Secrets, also from the Galaxy collection. And you guys, they are the most beautiful, high shine, fold, long lasting. They're phenomenal. They are phenomenal quality. So I'm going to quickly swatch them for you in the exact same order that I just showed you. And I'm going to turn my light all the way down, as I typically do when I'm showcasing their shadows, because sometimes the light will kind of blow them out instead of really show the beauty that is the shadow. And this one is intense as far as the sparkle goes. So there is low light, and then we have full light. All right, that was Watermark. Now we're going into Bora Bora. I'm telling y'all, these are incredible shadows. That is super highlight. And low light, low light, last up is Secrets. We are diving right in. I literally took Watermark first, just on my finger. That's all I used was my finger that day. And I pressed it on the very lower part of my eye, of my eyelid. Of course, I went in and did my eyes first. You will get a little bit of kickback, and hopefully you can see the gorgeous shift in that and the level of sparkle. They're incredible, you guys, incredible. Next up, I'm going into the Bora Bora, and same thing, just with my finger. This one I'm kind of loading it up towards kind of more the tip of my finger, and I'm going to start pressing in between where this shadow is and where there's bare skin. Basically, essentially, to me, I kind of used it as if it were like a matte, you know, like my blending or transition type shade. And you'll see that I have some fallout and stuff like that. Don't worry about that just yet. And I'm literally taking a super big fluffy brush. And again, I kind of treated this like it was my transition shade. And I'm going to blow that out just a little bit, soften it up. And then I'm going to go in with Secrets, again, just with my finger. And the Secrets I only pressed in the very center of my lid. And then I just took a wipe. You can use micellar water or whatever you need to use. I take a little wipe and I clean it up. And if you find that you're getting a little bit too much, you know, fallout or anything's going into your lids, if you take one of the e.l.f. eye tapes and gently place it under here and then pull it back up, or a little piece of Scotch tape. If you use Scotch tape, please put it to your hand first and then place it to your eye. I'm going to do the other eye really quickly and then finish up my base. I'll do that with you guys, but we'll speed that up. And then I'll show you how I finished it off. Alright beauties, as you can see, so far it has been incredibly easy. Next I went in with the NYX retractable eyeliner. This is just the white. Then I'm going to throw on some mascara. I'm going in with the Essence, another volume mascara, just better. It's a great affordable mascara too, which I really appreciate. Of course, you could throw on some amazing lashes if you wanted to wear lashes. I just prefer not to wear lashes. Alright, and then to finish off, I went in with the Illuminati Gel Paint liner in Electric Pink. It's actually an eyeliner that I got from Jackie a long time ago, but you can see it's pink, pink, pink. And I just had the Too Faced lip injection. I just left it on while I was doing my eyes. And I went in pretty heavily with this. And then it creates that really pretty ombre effect. I love this look so much. I think it is so freaking beautiful. The sparkles and everything. Let me just kind of get super close for you guys. The sparkles in these shadows, gorgeous. Now, I do want to add to it, I got a couple of suggestions from you guys, so I'm going to wipe this off real quick. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm. This is in Frost Yourself. And I think this is just going to make it a little bit more icy. That was kind of the recommendation from you guys. More Ice Queen vibes, if you will. So that is another variation. And then somebody also suggested to take one of the blue shadows or whatever blue shadow I was using. So I'm going to go in with Secrets. Oh, ooh! Okay, so I'm going to wipe this off. And I think my favorite was the Too Faced Hangover, the clear with the glitters. And then I want to try a couple more little variations. I want to go in with this JD Glow shadow. It's the multi-chrome in Aurora. They are closed down until February, but they are another one of my all-time favorite indie brands. And I will kind of swatch this one for you as well. So that is Aurora. Oh, it's so pretty. And I want to pop the very center of the lid with this and just see what it looks like. I think it's going to be pretty impactful. Oh, yes it is. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Oh, you guys. Okay, I did more than just the center. I got carried away. It's still beautiful though. I think that is stunning. And then the very last thing, and then I'll let you guys go. I just wanted to experiment, y'all, and have a good time. Let me know which kind of lip variation was your favorite. And do you think this is still kind of, you know, Ice Queen, Ice Princess vibes? I want to try to find a more icy highlighter. I think I'm going to go in the Jaclyn Cosmetics, I forgot what these are called, the Flash Palette. I think I'm going to go into Gleam right here. I'm going to take a teeny tiny pencil brush. I'm going to really load up the brush and really, really give myself like a beaming inner corner. And then take that across the brow bone as well. And you could go, you could go in with lashes and just kind of go crazy if you wanted to. I also have some little face gems. I'll show them. I just wanted to show them to you guys. I'm literally going to be going to bed in a little while. But these right here, like at the center of the forehead, a blonde wig, a blue shirt. Y'all, how beautiful would that be? I just wanted to do something a little bit more fun with you guys. I thought it was so beautiful the other day. And literally, if I wasn't, sitting here, kind of talking and playing around and stuff like that, I literally, you guys, just took my fingers and just swiped the shadows on. And then I'm also going to take this to my nose. I know it might be a little too much, but hey, we're an ice princess. Or an ice queen, or whatever we want to be. All right. I think this is absolutely stunning. Which variation did you like? Let me get up close with this variation for you guys. And it also goes to show, too, you don't have to... First of all, this is super easy. Literally anybody can do it. But you don't have to be super precise. Literally just slap on your favorite shadows. Like, you could do this with all purples and do, like, purples and pinks. Stunning. But that is my ice princess or ice queen or whatever y'all want to call it. Just winter-esque vibes, snowy vibes. I think it's stunning. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And, of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.